Okay, now that we have the part open, our next task will be to work on the part where the tube goes into the ventilator, and we're going to try to improve on this design. Possibly this is a design where we have to replace it every now and then. There's low volume, or we're going to improve the performance such as airflow, or we're going to improve the design, which in this case is what we're going to do. We'll go from 6 pieces to 1 piece. Also, we could eliminate the cost of tooling, and we're going to make this as a plastic part so we can make changes to this. We could even individualize it and reprint and have the parts made very, very fast. So this is our original design, and if you look at it closely, there's 6 pieces in this design. So I'm going to find a navigator. So that's one of the pieces. This is the full assembly to that. So this little piece has 6 pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the part we're going to improve on, and 6. So we're going to make this 1 piece. We're going to use our NX topology optimization to do that. And we're going to combine all the pieces to 1, saving costs that we don't have to have tooling cost. And then after that, we'll show how to put it in the print tray. So what we'll do is I'm going to go to this part and show you what the part looks like. So here's the part. And it's been around a long, long time, but we need to redesign this using additives. So there's important characteristics, like we're going to care about this part in the center, all the airflow. We're going to want to put on these safety decals, and we need to keep this shape. It's very important that we keep the shape so the new design fits in with the other design. And then we could just 3D print this with maybe a multi-jet fusion kind of in powder, so we could print many of them at the same time and not have to pay for tooling.